I enjoyed the pork fried rice during my 20 kg weight loss journey frequently. This portion serves for 2 people. We have to use a lean cut of meat. So in my case, I have chosen the sirloin steak. The first step I'm going to do is I'm going to trim all the visible fat. Going to dice the pork into small bite-sized pieces. Put that in the air fryer for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Alternatively, you can oven bake the pork at 180 degrees for 30 minutes for the same results as well. I will be using a wok to make this pork fried rice, but if you don't have one, you can use a normal saucepan. First, I'm gonna spray some olive oil into the pan. Then I'm gonna add 2 well whisked eggs, and once it's done, we are gonna set it aside. Next, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm gonna add chopped garlic cloves, next we are adding 200 grams of combined weight of chopped cabbage, carrots and leeks. Add salt and pepper, and now it's time to get some nice color in it. Looks like our vegetables are ready. Now I'm gonna add 400 grams of cold yesterday's rice. We are gonna mix it really well. Time to add the air fried pork and the egg that we set aside earlier. Then we are going to mix everything really well. Add some garlic powder, some onion powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and finally we are going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix it really well. It already smells amazing in here. I can't wait to taste this. Our fried rice is now done. Time to plate and taste. Time to taste the dish. So good! This pork fried rice only has 400 calories per serving, with 40 grams of protein, 45 to 50 grams of carbohydrates, and 15 to 20 grams of fat. If you enjoy content like this, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time.